Hello friends, and welcome in this another video of DIY Master. And in this video I'm going to explain you a few basic things about Reva E2o. Actually this is an small electric car. Actually this is the upgraded version of old Reva. Reva is a basically Bangalore based company which used to make golf cart as well as the small electric vehicle. Now the Mahindra has bought this company, and initially they have launched two variant of E2o. One is 3-door E2o and second one is 4-door 5-door E2o plus. Today in this video I'm going to explain few basic things of this car. So let's start from the interior. This is actually a remote in which we have a lock, unlock, and the boot opener. Basically, this is the boot opener through which we can open this and access the charger port. Actually, so this is the basic use of this key. And apart from this, we have unlock the door. Okay. Now you can see that it has plenty space if we compare this small electric vehicle with the existing 800 or any other. Yes, this is the second row of the car, and the access of this row would be like a coupe car. First we need to uh, pull this driver or passenger seat first, and we can take entry from like this. Now let's start from the exterior, actually the interior first. So for that we can sit here, and now you can see that there is a 7-inch multimedia infotainment system, and there is a LCD clustered display, and there is a push start button. You can see that this car was ahead of their generation by 10 years almost, because Mahindra is delivering this sort of push start button from early 2010 or 11 12, and now in 2022 it is somewhat very common, the push start button. Anyway, so we have a push start button. We can start by pressing this. Okay, so as we press this, there is a yellow indicator, and when we take this remote key near to this start button, the light turn into green, and there is a welcome message on this round cluster. And since the battery is very low, you can see that 4% is SOC and distance to empty is 2 kilometer. So that's the very uncommon feature. Now we have a AC. Like, we can start the AC. You can see it's very chill, and we have got heater also. We have that hazard lamp. We have that AC circulation mode, and this is the button for rear hatch. This is the speed. There is the rear defogger, and there is a small glove box over there. You can see there are four, you can say six speaker front row, and there are, this is the tutor, and just beside the tutor we have a speaker. Okay, so electrically adjusted mirror system. This is the uh, button for front boot opener, the bonnet opener. Like, this is the headlight beam adjuster. And if we talk about here, like, we have USB, aux, and 12-volt output, and these are the two button for power window. This is the gear lever, where we can find the neutral, reverse, forward, and boost mode. So as we, like, this is the reverse. As we uh, switch this lever into reverse mode. We have a back rear camera, and then neutral. And if your battery is less than 20%, your vehicle turn automatically into L mode, L or E mode. There are 2-3 modes in this car. I mean, these are the mode of driving actually. And now we can able to see. Okay, so now you can see the car is showing so many things like idling, 4% of battery, 2% to kilometer. Now if suppose if your vehicle is stuck in a on a road and your battery is 0%, so you can activate the revive mode by using this menu, like my car and the revive. See, by pressing this revive mode, you can boost up your battery from 0 to 7 or 10%. This revive mode you can activate for 3 times. After that, your battery will be totally dead. I mean, you need to tow then. Since this already revive is activated, so it will not further activate it, right? So this is the interior of the car. So let's see from the outside and turn off the. Okay, so let's move outside. If we talk from the outsides, there is a batching powered by Reva. Uh, so this is the look from the first front side. You can see there are projector headlamp for dipper, and for upper there is a halogen headlamp. There is a grill, Mahindra logo and the number plate. There are two indicators. One is this, second one is this. There is space. There is also space for fog lamp. You can see, since this is not the top model, so we can expect a few things still missing in this variant. This is a antenna for radio FM, and this is a patching for E2o Mahindra automatic, and you know. So rest of the things is quite okay. So I hope guys you have enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt, please comment below, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. This will surely uh, help us to create this sort of videos, and this is free. You can subscribe as well as turn the notification button. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.